Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Corolla front bumper. Before starting, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a panel clip removal tool. Safety is key, so ensure your car is on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Opening the hood and possibly lifting the front of the vehicle will provide better access to all attachment points. Next, we'll tackle the upper and side fasteners. Begin by opening the hood and removing about 7 plastic clips and 3 10mm bolts from the top of the bumper cover. Then, turn your front wheels to gain access to the fender liner. Here, you'll find 2 clips and some screws holding the bumper to the fender. Remember to disconnect any fog light harnesses before proceeding. Now, let's move to the lower section and the final release. Underneath the bumper, remove several 10mm bolts and any plastic pins from the splash panels. Double-check that all fasteners are gone, including any clips near the rebar. With everything detached, carefully pull the bumper cover from the corners, then straight off. Don't forget to disconnect any remaining sensors, like the radar module, before fully removing it. Reinstalling your bumper is essentially the reverse process. Carefully align the bumper, ensuring it slides smoothly under the headlight assemblies. Push the side edges firmly until they click into their brackets. It's helpful to secure the central 10mm bolt first to hold the bumper in place. Remember to reconnect all electrical harnesses and sensors. Finally, replace all clips and bolts, ensuring everything is snug and secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.